Hi, I'm Ken Erwin. I'm a managing partner at A+ Lawn and Landscape. So to rejuvenate your lawn, thicken it up and make it look great, compost top dressing is a great way to achieve that. You basically put 1 to 2 inches of compost spread out evenly amongst the yard to give a new thick layer for the roots to grow in, to thrive in, to help your lawn be thicker, fuller, and look great. We top dress and apply compost at 2 cubic yards per 5,000 square feet. This lets the soil and helps build that layer to get your lawn healthy and thick again. Our system applies it at an even rate. We don't just sling it around and clump it around. This helps distribute the nutrients evenly throughout the soil. We've got a state-of-the-art compost trailer that we can do everything quicker with, more accurately with. So we leave everything cleaner and we leave the house the way it was when we started.